I'm John from VPI, Training and Applications Manager. So we've got a full range of products at Tippers, all the base coats and the top coats. We've got coloured top coats, thin coat top coats, and all the base coats which do different jobs for different backgrounds. We often get asked about what surfaces people can render onto with the product or which product to use. You can render onto most masonry backgrounds with all of our products and fast track building surfaces such as cement particle board, insulated systems. There is a base coat or a prep coat for each type of background, so everything's possible. For instance, Renepass Inter, this would be used on an existing painted surfaces, brickwork, existing render, that's solid, well bonded. Remix Mono, cement boards, insulation boards, mineral wool, polystyrene EPS, and Monocal Gris GF, masonry, blockwork, brickwork, all those backgrounds. We also have Acrylor 2. This is a gritty contact primer, ideal for low suction backgrounds, smooth bricks, very dense backgrounds, things like Accrington brick. This will allow better contact and adhesion for the mortars onto the substrate. So we've got a range of base coats in stock at Tippers. This one, Monocal Gris, user-friendly float mortar. This can be used onto blockwork, brickwork. It can be float smooth finished for paint finish. It can be finished with crepulane silicone, or it can be just used as a base coat, scratch coat, prior to a different product going on the top, such as the monocouche. We've got Remix Mono. This is a really strong, highly flexible, highly modified base coat. This is ideal for framed construction such as SFS, timber frame with cement board outer, or insulation boards, EPS polystyrene, mineral wool. The mineral wool system is fire rated. This base coat's really flexible, really strong, has a really high weather resistance. So that's the base coat we would use for those systems. This is our Renepass Inter base coat. This is quite a unique product. This product is designed for going onto existing painted backgrounds, so painted brickwork or painted render. That's too hard to remove. This product will burn itself onto the paint and allow for subsequent coats of through coloured mortars, the monocouche or the thin coat system, and the crepulane finish. We also do a lime render range. This is a full system of a backing coat and a finishing coat. It's ideal for stone backgrounds, heritage work, anything built on lime mortar or solid walls that need to breathe. This is your backing coat, 10mm coat of this, and this is your finishing coat, also 10mm. It's a 20mm system overall. It can be trowel applied or spray applied, just like any of the products. All of the products can be spray applied or trowel applied. And the finish, this can be scrape finished like a monocouche. It's fine or medium texture. It can be floated for traditional, more of a traditional look, smooth or rough. Some of the finished products we've got down at Tippers. This is a monocouche render, scratch render. Some people call it just through coloured mortar. Comes in 60 colours. This is the bright white one. It can go onto any of the base coats. It can go direct to blockwork as a single layer application. This product is also a finishing product. This is silicone, 1.5mm texture, for thin coat finishes onto any of the base coats. Also part of external wall insulation systems. Crepilo TM is the bright white, blank plus, equivalent colour to the blank Pearl, which is the brightest white, one of the brightest whites on the market. And the standard line is Crepilane. This is tintable, thousands of colours in this. Tippers have a tinting machine here, so you can pick your colours off the swatch. That can be mixed up on site. The through coloured mortars come in 60 standard colours off the shelf. We also have a range of complementary products in stock. So the monoflash here, this is an accelerator. So if the weather's a bit cooler, we can add some of this to the mixing water and that will send the product off, shave a few hours off the working time. We also have the mesh in stock. It's VPI glass fibre reinforcing mesh, 10 by 10 squares for the monocouche range and 4 by 4 squares for the thin coat range. And all the beads and fixings also on the shelf. The benefit of choosing VPI is that we manufacture our own products. That gives us the control that we want over the quality, and also the backup and support network is excellent.